Alright y'all, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as y'all can see, I just did this truck. I'm about to show y'all the finished product. So we got about 6 trucks to do. It's gonna be spread out in a couple of days, so I'm probably gonna do like 2 trucks a day, or it depends on how much I can fit in. This is the first one, the first single cab. They all pretty much kind of priced differently, and it's not like the video is gonna make it look worse than what it is, but it's really like, I don't know, do just the inside, full interior cleaning. Most of them are single cabs, and it's just like a lot of dirt basically. So I just finished with this one and I'm about to grab another one. So I have 1, 2, 3 single cabs, and 4 full-size trucks as well, along with a couple of semis they more than likely will want to do. They said they want to do everything. I gave them prices on mostly everything, not everything, but like estimates basically, and they were cool with the prices. They were cool with it. I'm not charging like stupid cheap, like 40-50 bucks. The cheapest one that I'm doing for them is $100. The truck is a brand new truck, and it's just a little dusty, so it's just gonna be like a wipe down and all that stuff, just a quick little wipe down, and that's it. Some of them are like this one, where it has a lot of dirt, and it's really just a lot of wiping down. I'd rather deal with this than deal with candy and all that stuff. They all work trucks, and when I had the discussion with them is to get them the best that I can. They haven't been clean since they had them. I gotta come back and do the door jams on this one, but it looks a whole lot better than what it was before. Put some towels down for my feet. As y'all can see, this thing was real dusty, full of it had cigarettes in this one, but we got it looking 10 times better. There's a couple of spots I'm gonna come back and hit, like right here. I need to come back and hit that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull in the other truck and start working on the other truck. All right, so this is the second one, and as you can see, y'all, like it's really a whole bunch of wiping. That's really what I'm doing, is doing a whole bunch of wiping. I'm not really picking nothing up or anything like that like I do with some cars. You're just spraying and wiping and steaming, that's it. So to me, this is like moderate. This is not like severely bad, because like I said, I'm not having to do carpet. I'm not having to deal with like this is leather seats. I'm not having to do anything with candy. I'm not having to do anything at all, basically. I mean, all I'm doing is nothing too crazy. All I'm doing is spraying it down, coming in with a brush with my drill and brushing it and wiping it off. Hey y'all, so this is the one from earlier. I recorded some of it. Got to get in here, but yeah, it looks better. Headliner looks better. The floor looks somewhat better. This one is almost like there's no more protection left on this plastic, and the dirt pretty much got embedded in the plastic, as y'all can see, because I've been wiping for a while and it is not doing anything different. So But this one is one of those ones where I'm gonna have to call it and say that's it, that's all I can do to it, because I keep wiping the same areas over and over, steaming them, wiping them, spraying them down, using different brushes. It's not doing anything. The other one came out looking great. This one I still have to wipe down here, slight vacuum, and then interior dressing. But with this one, like I said, it's not gonna get any better than what it is. It's a 2008 and probably has never been cleaned since it's been bought. Alright y'all, so we done with this one. Kind of looking better. Dressed the floor up real good, got the seats going real good. Well, most of all of the dirt is gone. Clean all the windows and all that good stuff. So with these, like when they have these type of floors, if they don't take care of them, they don't wipe them down on a daily basis, or not even a daily basis, like the whole truck, if they're not taking care of the whole truck, like the dirt starts to get embedded in the plastic, and it starts sometimes even then it just starts looking kind of ashy in a way, even if the dirt's not embedded in it. But for me, there's really nothing I can do about that. I can dress it up, make it look a little better, make it look brand new. It's gonna look like that for probably like a month or so, and then eventually that stuff will kind of start wearing off. It looks a whole lot better than what it was before. I got all of the dirt and stuff out of it, and the best thing to do is, if you have a work truck like this, the best thing to do is to clean it on a regular basis. If they would clean it on a regular basis and put some type of interior protector or whatever on the door panels and all that stuff, the dirt wouldn't stick like it sticks in here. Like, it sticks on there and it does not want to come off. So that's just one thing that they could do to kind of help with it not getting as bad, but some of them are too far gone. But we finished with this one. This one's going out, and then we see those. We got that truck. That one I'm gonna wait for its own separate day, but we're gonna go ahead and knock out that brown one over here, and then we also have this 2-door one that we're gonna be doing as well, but that's gonna be on a separate day. So we're gonna start doing this one right here. This one is like really dusty, and it's not right here, it's just heavy dirt that comes off with just a wipe. Spray it down and wipe it, and it's gonna come right up. Say this one for yeah, we're gonna save this one for a day on its own, because this one is bad. I mean, I gave them a quote on this one, but I think I'm gonna go up on the price, because now that I'm really looking at it, this one's gonna take some time, man. These are gonna be so out of order, but I guess I should explain why I'm doing all these trucks. So basically, the story behind it is, this is a company, as you can see, all their trucks, they got rid of, I guess they got rid of all the people, and the guy wants to clean them all, and then he's gonna put the trucks up in storage or whatever, right? Moving them to a different location. They kept calling another detailer in this area in San Antonio, and I actually know who the person is. Never met them in person, but I've heard of I've dealt with the same people that's around them, basically. So they've actually, and that company actually has like 3 vans, so I didn't understand why they didn't want to take this one. But I think it's more so with that company, I think they like working on more higher end things, So I think that's why they didn't show up. But basically they called that company, hey, need you to come clean some cars, some trucks. And they told them they were coming. First week they never showed up. Second, it's been 2 weeks, so they didn't show up the second week. They called them again, hey, I'm gonna come. They told them, hey, I'm gonna come on Tuesday. They didn't show up. So they called me, hey, got these trucks, blah blah blah, and I said, well, this is what I'm gonna charge from here to here. If y'all okay with that, then that's fine. I'll come and look at them. Came up here and look at them, and then I gave them some prices and stuff like that. So what we doing is they pay me as I go. So as I complete a truck, I'm doing 2 trucks a day. As I finish, I get paid. They pay me at the end of the day for whatever I completed. That's how I got. That's the deal that we got. I could do more than 2 trucks a day, but I only choose to do 2 a day because they bad, but not that bad. As far as like the other company, the other detailing company in San Antonio, there's a problem with some of the mobile detailers like doing that to where they don't show up. Most don't answer the phone. I guess they overbooking themselves. I don't know what's happening, but I hear it a lot where basically if somebody said, hey, I scheduled with this guy, he never showed up. I gave them a chance, they still never showed up. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take it. So I took the job or whatever. And the crazy part about it is that detailing company is a pretty big detailing company. They have like a $10,000 steamer. And the equipment is like the top-notch equipment. And to me, I'm like, this would have been easy jobs for them, like easy. They could have had a crew come out, which was probably 2 people come out and knock these out like it was nothing, and it would have been easy money for them. But I mean, now your boy is doing it, and setting the only thing I had to do was kind of set the expectations and let them know that none of these trucks are gonna look brand new, especially the ones that are older, like the 2008 one I did that has never been cleaned since it's probably purchased. It's not gonna look new. I do my very best to make it look better, but it won't look new. So that's pretty much the story behind it. I'm just waiting on them to come so we can knock this truck out, but I think I'm gonna just move the van up to start working on this one. So alright, we done with this truck. It's just got door jambs. As y'all can see, this thing looks 10 times better. A couple of little dirt I gotta wipe up, but